Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Picture this, you've just joined ShopSphere, a booming e-commerce company where new products are pouring in every week. Manually tagging and sorting all these items? That's just not going to cut it anymore. It's slow and mistakes slip through. So your challenge is to build an AI-powered system that can automatically tag and categorize products using semantic similarity. This will make the catalog process smoother and help customers find what they want in no time. So let's go ahead and bring in some essential tools. You'll use pandas for handling your data, OpenAI embeddings to work some language magic, and a couple of handy helpers for crunching numbers and checking how similar things are. I am going to create a variable called possible categories. It's just a simple list of 5 categories your products might belong to, like electronics, clothing, or toys. Now, before building your solution, it's important to get a feel for the data you'll be working with. You're going to load up the product dataset and take a quick look, just to see what kind of details you have for each item. This step helps you plan your next moves and spot any issues early on. So I am going to go ahead and load the products data from a CSV file and save it into a variable called products. Now let's take a quick peek at the first few rows just to see what your data actually looks like. Here's the first technical step in your solution. You need to turn both the product descriptions and the category names into something an AI model can actually understand. That's where embeddings come in. They're just numbers that capture the meaning of the text. By embedding both, you'll be able to compare them and figure out which category fits each product best. First up, you're creating an embeddings object using OpenAI's tools. Think of this as your way to turn words into numbers your computer can work with. Now, you're using that embeddings object to convert all your possible categories into their own unique number patterns. Please take a moment to like this video, as it is going to be a great help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to use those embeddings to automatically match each product to the category it's most similar to. By measuring how close a product's description is to each category, you can pick the best fit. This makes tagging way faster and more accurate since it's based on the actual content. First up, you're making a function that takes a product description and figures out which category it fits best, using some smart math behind the scenes. Now, you're applying that function to every product in your list, so each one gets its own predicted category. And finally, let's take a quick peek at the top rows to see those new categories in action. Once you've categorized all the products, it's important to save your results. This way, the catalog team can review the new categories, and you can easily plug your predictions into the ShopSphere platform. Saving your work also makes it simple to track improvements and share what you've done with others. So let's go ahead and save your products along with their categories into a new CSV file. This keeps everything organized and ready to use later. To wrap up, you've just seen how to automate product categorization using AI and embeddings. This kind of automation saves time and makes your catalog more accurate. What else do you think you could predict from product data? Maybe price ranges or customer interest tags? Drop your ideas and experiments in the comments below. It would make me super happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.